my name is John Chinjay, and this is an app built with my fellow pod teammates, Nicolas Carvajal and Matthew Chan. And what we were looking to do with Bubblegram was, of course, build a scalable app that a lot of people could use. And we also wanted to familiarize ourselves with AWS Amplify. We believed that this app would be the best way to understand how each of these components work together. And to that end, we used Cognito for sign-in, as well as data store, and we opted against the REST API that we were all familiar with and chose instead to use GraphQL, which presented some unique challenges that I'm happy to say we were able to overcome for the project. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the app. You will see some basic information about the app, as well as be invited to create an account. And if you scroll, you'll see some of the basic features of the app, which are to upload images, like images, and then of course comment on images. And early feedback of the app has been excellent, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the sign-in page, and here you'll be prompted to give your email username and create a new account. So I'll go ahead and do that. And upon doing so, I will be prompted to enter a confirmation code that has just been emailed to me. I'll pull that up here. You'll be brought to your home feed, which is going to be where you see your friends' bubbles. Of course, as a new user, I don't have any friends. You can go to your own bubbles, and that'll be similarly empty. But we can go ahead and change that by uploading an image. And I'll borrow from a past app here. And you can see that my image populates, and I can go ahead and give myself a like. But my friend feed is still empty, so let's go ahead and add a friend. And if I'm already following this person, then I'll get a prompt telling me that that's the case. So now I should be able to go back to my friend feed, and I will see my friends' posts, which I can also like. And I can pop, which will prompt me to leave a comment. And I can also see all comments, and looks like mine was the first one. And we can go ahead and click on our username in the nav bar and sign out. That'll bring us back to the home page, and that's essentially the app. So a few things that we learned while we were building out this app was the importance of reading documentation for one thing, as we were using a lot of technologies that we were very unfamiliar with. But helping each other was key to building this. So we all had strengths in different areas, and leveraging all of those really helped us build something comprehensive, and that accounted for a lot of errors that we might have been stumped by individually. And at the end of it, we also have a better understanding of what AWS Amplify is intended for, as well as using it just because we, in addition to everything that we used for the app, we spent a lot of time just exploring features that we actually didn't even end up implementing in full. So what's next for Bubblegram is that we're looking to hopefully have a live data stream feature, as well as have just generally video recordings, and some simple UI improvements that we didn't really have the time to focus on and implement over the course of the hackathon. But going forward, we're pretty confident that we'll be able to sort out all of those things. And that has been Bubblegram. Thank you for watching.